Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts on Snapchat. So firstly, open up your Snapchat application, then just take a simple snap, then click next. Now if you see at the top right corner, there will be a button called create shortcut. Click on that. Now a page will appear where you can see all of your friends. Just select those who you want to add in the shortcuts, and after that click on choose emoji, then go to emojis and choose any emoji of your liking. For example, I will take this, and after that I will just click create shortcut. And as you can see, the shortcut has been created. And now if I want to send my snap, I will just click on the shortcut. So now if I want to send my snaps to some particular individuals, I will just select them one by one. And if I want to send my snap to all of them, I will just click on select all. And after that, I will just press send at the bottom right corner. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.